this video, let's see how to install Porsche wheel spacers on your Cayenne.
Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers are safe to use as long as the wheel spacers are installed correctly. Before installing, we need to prepare the tools: the jack stand, wheel spacers, extended wheel bolts, sandpaper, towel, torque wrench, cross spanner, and brake cleaner. Using a cross spanner to loosen the stock bolts on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stands to support each end of the car, using a cross spanner to remove stock bolts on the front wheel side. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub assembly with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacers to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers. Then install the wheel hanger. Install the wheel and the extended wheel bolts. Use a torque spanner to tighten the extending wheel bolt to a specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the extending wheel bolts work. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and front, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. If you are looking for Porsche wheel spacers with durability and are lightweight, then BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers kit is a perfect option. The spacers are matched with hollow covered holes. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance, and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. Although Lightweight Plus causes an additional increase in production cost, for a better customer experience, we have maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.